In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SMT divergences in Tradingview Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually located along the main toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where you'll find all the built-in tools, as well as any community scripts and your own favorites. Inside this panel, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can type. This is where you'll search for the SMT Divergences indicator. The search field is really useful because Tradingview has a huge library of tools, and typing the name helps you quickly filter down to exactly what you're looking for. Now, in the search bar, start typing SMT Divergences. As you type, Tradingview will automatically show you matching results below. Take a moment to look through the list and locate the SMT Divergences indicator you want to use. When you see it, simply click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added directly onto your chart. You should now see SMT divergence signals overlaid on your current price action. Depending on the specific version of the indicator, you might notice colored lines, labels, or markers that highlight where divergences appear between related markets or instruments. If you'd like to customize how it looks or how it behaves, move your cursor over the indicator's name at the top of the chart and click the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, line styles, and sensitivity to match your personal trading style. Because we're working in Tradingview Pro, you'll benefit from having more indicators on your chart at once, extra alerts, and generally a smoother experience, especially if you run multiple layouts or higher timeframes. If you haven't upgraded yet and you're interested in those extra features, check out the affiliate link in the video description. Using that link helps support the channel at no additional cost to you, and it gives you access to the full power of Tradingview Pro, so these kinds of tools run more efficiently. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, click Indicators, use the search box, look up SMT Divergences, and add it to your chart. Once it's on there, experiment with the settings and see how it fits into your trading plan.